Hello students, welcome to my channel Online Biology Tutorials. In this video, we will study eukaryotic cell. Remember, eu word always means the new or the modern. Okay, and karyotic always means nucleus, as we have talked about in the prokaryotic cell. So a cell with modern nucleus is known as eukaryotic cell. I hope you have gone through the video on nucleus. We discussed that what are the various components of a well-developed nucleus. I am just giving you a recapitulation, but if you want to have a detailed study with labeling and everything, the link will be shared in the I button on the right side for nucleus. Now, nucleus is well developed when it contains outer nuclear membrane, inner nuclear membrane, a nuclear pore, chromatin, which I am drawing right now, then the beaded structure on it, genes, a well dark stained body called nucleolus, and nucleoplasm as a base material. So this yellow material is the nucleoplasm. So whenever all such components are there, a nucleus is said to be well developed. Another thing which you should learn here, that the DNA in the case of eukaryotic cell, it is linear, right? It is linear, L-I-N-E-A-R. This is E-A-R. Linear DNA is a characteristic feature of eukaryotic cell. And in contrast to this, if you remember the prokaryotic cell, the DNA was circular. So this is also one of the difference. First point you'll be writing about, nucleus is well developed, and a well developed nucleus shows the following components. In this you'll write you'll draw diagram also. Then second point will be it contains linear DNA. Now, most of the membranes in the case of eukaryotic cell, they are double membrane, right? So, if you are talking about mitochondria, mitochondria was also double membranous. The outer membrane of it was known as outer mitochondrial membrane, inner mitochondrial membrane. Remember, plants and animals, they both fall in the category of eukaryotes. Remember, we will use eukaryote terms for those organisms that will have eukaryotic cell in them. So plants and animals, they both will fall in the category. If we talk about chloroplast, chloroplast was also composed of two membranes, outer chloroplast membrane and inner chloroplast membrane. So majority of the cell organelles were double membranous. This is chloroplast and this structure is mitochondria. So you need to give these examples while writing for it. This is our nucleus. Now in eukaryotes, two cell organelles are single membranous. One is lysosome and another is vacuole. In spite of being in the eukaryotic cell, they are always single membranous. They are always single membranous. This is important to know. And the DNA is linear, in a form of straight line, in a form of two strands it is present, right? So these are the major differences between the prokaryotic cell in the eukaryotic cell. You need to write the differences on your own. I hope you have gone through the video of prokaryotic cell. If not, please watch it and then compare it with the eukaryotic cell. Make a table and write the points of differences between the prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell. I hope you have gone through major number of videos. The videos that I have made on ribosomes, ER, Golgi body, all were the components, all were the examples of the cell organelles that are found in the eukaryotic cell. So question for this video is, what serves as the protein factories in a eukaryotic cell? What serves as protein factories and kitchen of a cell? Means it is asking that protein factories name has been given to which cell organelle and kitchen of the cell is given to which cell organelle. I hope the video had clarity and you have understood the differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Remember, prokaryotes and eukaryotes will be the organism. So if a question comes, differentiate between prokaryote and eukaryote, don't get confused. They are asking you to differentiate between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. If you have liked the video, don't forget to click on the like button. Share this video with your friends too, so that each one of you can get the benefit. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.